Hi, welcome back to Hello Annie. Let's take advantage of all the juicy late summer fruit and let's make a watermelon salad with a very yummy honey lime dressing. This salad is perfect for this long weekend to take to potlucks, picnics, and parties. This serves 5 people. Feel free to double or triple up the recipe. I'm using half of a watermelon. We're gonna cut it into cubes. And place it onto a platter. Then slice up a nectarine into thin slices. Arrange it pretty around a watermelon. Next, I'm gonna add some of the season's last cherries, cut them into halves, then take the pit out. Instead of cherries, strawberries and blueberries would be nice too. Let's make a quick dressing to go with this. Squeeze out the juice of 1 lemon. Then add 3 teaspoons of honey, and finely mince a bit of fresh mint. That will give it a nice fresh flavor. That's about it. Pour over the fruit and enjoy. Thanks for stopping by. See you next time.